Good afternoon, my everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Next, I, what is that?
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you? Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am
Good
fine, I am
afternoon,
fine,
ma'am.
I am
Good
fine, I am
afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. How
I
are
am
you,
fine,
ma'am?
I am fine, thank you.
Good afternoon,
How are
ma'am.
you all?
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am fine, thank you. Now, what is the next topic we are having? Take out your course books, everyone. Page number 7. Page number 7, ma. Health and safety while using computers. First one is sit straight in front of the computer. Never take magnets near the computer. Keep your hands dry and clean while using computer. Protect computer from direct sunlight. Keep water bottles and food away from the computer. Don't play in the computer lab. Never shake or pull wires attached to the computer. Press the keys of the keyboard gently. Keep the computer covered when not in use. So, what is that? Firstly, we have to sit straight in front of the computer. Then, don't bring any magnets near to the computer. And next, always keep your hands dry. Means not without water. Your hands should be completely dry. Then, no, direct sunlight should not fall on the computer. Keep the computer some distance from the direct sunlight. Then you should never drink or eat in front of the computer. Then don't pull the wires attached to the computer, and you have to press the keyboard keys very gently. Gently means smoothly we have to press, not tuck tuck tuck. Okay. Then after completing the use of the computer, what you have to do, you have to cover it. Why should we cover? Because till the next day when we use that, it will be dust free. Dust will not fall on the computer. So immediately after you finish the usage of the computer, cover it with some cloth or something. Okay. Then what are the rules to be followed in the computer lab? Enter computer lab quietly and sit at your assigned seat. So you have to enter very silently and you have to sit in a place where the teacher is assigned you to sit. Raise your hand if you need help. So if you have any doubts or if you need any help, you have to raise your hands. Don't scream in the lab. Means don't shout in the lab. Follow all the instructions given by your teacher. So whatever the teacher tells you to follow, that you need to follow it. Complete the given task to the best of your ability. See, whatever the teacher gives the task, that you try to complete it with your ability. How much you can complete, you can try to complete it. Then be careful while using school property and follow lab rules. So since you are in the lab, that is your school property, not your own property. Whatever, whosoever the property it is it your own or school property, you have to be very careful with the parts and everything. Don't think that it is not my property, it is school property, so I can do anything, I will damage this, I will damage that. No. Okay. Even it is your own property or schools, you have to be very careful. At the end, turn off the computer and leave the computer lab
Good morning,
quietly.
Mr.
And finally, after completing your lab work, whatever it is, you have to switch off the computer and then leave the lab also quietly. How you have entered the lab quietly, the same way you have to leave the lab quietly. Okay, is it clear? Yes, Akshay, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, Ma'am, in my computer I can't download anything, ma'am.
Anything in the sense you have internet, Wi-Fi you are
Yes,
having?
yes, ma'am.
Then
I'm trying to download it, but it's not coming, ma'am.
what you are trying to download? First tell me. Sit straight in front of the computer. Never take any magnets near the computer. Keep your hands dry. Protect computer from the direct sunlight. Don't eat or drink in front of the computer. Then don't play with the wires and press the keys gently. And last, cover the computer after the use. And in the lab, what are the rules you have to follow? Enter the lab quietly uh, and sit at your place. Then do the work quietly. Raise your hands if you have any doubts or if you need any help. And do your best, whatever the work you are doing. And be careful while you are using the school property. And then at the end, after completing, turn off the computer and go quietly. Okay? Understood, everyone? Course books, page number 9. What you have to do, first of all, mark a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the wrong statement. Page number 9, everyone. Group A, first one. What is that? Yes, Reyes?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we cannot see the screen, ma'am. Black is there, ma'am.
Everyone
We
or
cannot
only you?
see the screen.
Yes, Dhruti?
Ma'am, I can't see anything. So just black.
So nobody can.
Ma'am, me also, ma'am, this.
Yeah, 1
We
second.
cannot.
What is that? First one, what is that? We should share a computer with other classmates. Is it true or false? I mean, right or wrong? Riyansika,
Yes, ma'am.
is it right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. So always you have to share your computer whenever required. Okay. So it is true. I mean, tick it. The next one, Aniksa. Yes, tell me what is your doubt?
Ma'am, page number?
Page number 9.
Okay. Ma'am.
Dhruti, you can see now.
No, we can't.
You can't see.
No.
So that's from your side only. Ma. Others can see.
Wait.
Lohit, you can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So Dhruti, it's problem from your side only. Maybe network issue. Yes, next one, ma. We should sit very close to the monitor. Right or wrong? Adhya. Right or wrong, Adhya? I can't hear you, Adhya. We should sit very close to the computer. Right or wrong? I can't hear you. Lohit, tell me the answer.
Right.
Lohit.
What, ma'am?
We should sit very close to the monitor.
Wrong.
Wrong, right. Very good. It's wrong. Next one. We should eat our lunch in front of the computer. Is it true? I mean, we have to eat. Aniksa, tell me the answer.
False.
Yes, we should not eat in front of the computer. Wrong. Then next, we should keep the computer covered when not in use. Ashwita Nalla.
Yes,
Right or wrong?
right.
Yes, very good. Right. Now Tanishka. We should keep the computer free from dirt and dust. We should keep it free from dirt and dust. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Means you should keep dust on the computer.
No, wrong.
Then that's what. Read the question properly. Hey, read the question properly.
Wrong.
We should keep the computer free from dirt and dust. Means we should not keep any dust and dirt on the computer. That is wrong.
Wrong, ma'am.
Dhruti,
Yes, ma'am.
the answer, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it right or wrong?
Ma'am, which question?
Last one. We should keep the computer free from dirt and dust. Right or wrong?
We should keep the computer
Free from dust and dirt. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Yes. We should keep free in the sense we should not keep any dirt or dust on the computer. Try to understand the question, Tarina. Is that Trishika, Tanishka? Yes, Manvitraj, tell me what's your doubt? Manvitraj, tell me what's your doubt? Page number 9. Yes, next one, Nana. Read the following carefully. This is page 9. Next, read the following carefully and strike out the wrong words that complete the sentences. So now, Nityasri.
Yes, ma'am.
A computer works on electricity or water.
Electricity.
So you have to tick on what? Electricity.
Electricity.
Here, electricity is there, right? You have to tick it. Yes, Patan, why did you join late?
Ma'am, from the network issue, I joined late.
Page number 9. Take out page number 9. Page number 9. Course book. Yes, now see here. A computer works on electricity or water. Electricity, right? So tick like this on electricity and put a cross on water. Strike the water. Then the keys of the keyboard are to be pressed hard or gently. Bilvika. Bilvika, unmute yourself. Bilvika. Bilvika, are you there? Okay, Srihasan.
హార్ట్గా ప్రెస్ చేయాలా గట్టిగా ప్రెస్ చేయాలా
Srihasan.
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell the answer. The keys of the keyboard to be pressed hard or gently.
Gently.
Gently means what? Meaning soft, smooth. Okay. So we have to touch the keys very smoothly. So tick on the gently, strike out hard. Right. Advaita. Yes, ma, Advaita. Advaita, are you there? Manvitraj, tell me. Tell me the last one. Put or do not put your finger into a power socket. Yes, do not put your fingers on the power socket. Strike out, put. Right. Now, next one you have to look at the pictures carefully. If the picture shows a correct way of using a computer, put a tick. And wrong way, put a cross. Yes, Srivas.
Ma'am.
Now Srivas, not Hassan. Vas. See the first picture. Neha is cleaning the computer. Is it correct or wrong?
Correct.
Yes, very good. So it is correct. Next. Mm, Akshaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Himesh is eating in front of the computer. Right or wrong?
That's wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, we should not eat in front of the computer. Right.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Shreyan. Shreyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell them. Rohan is banging the keyboard while typing. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Yeah. Banging means very like playing music with the keys.
Wrong.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Next one. Bilvika, are you there? Bilvika. Okay, Krishika. Yes, ma, Krishika.
Ma'am.
Tell the next one. Sohan, Meena, and Ritik are pulling the wires from their what is that? Slots, right or wrong?
Wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, it's wrong. I should not play with the wires. Then next. Yeah, Devansh. 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 Hanvika. Sneha and Mohan are sharing the computer to perform tasks. Right or wrong?
Ma'am, what is the question, ma'am?
You're not looking into the course book. Page number 10.
Okay, ma'am.
See that page number 10?
Ma'am, just a minute.
So now you are opening the book.
True.
Yes, we have to share the computer. Right. Correct. Yes, now turn the page. You have to write down. Yes, you have to write down health problems occur with the improper use of computers. Find out more and share your findings here. So what you have to do is, now write this in page number 11, everyone. What are the health problems you are going to face when you will not use a computer in proper way? Yes, I hope all are writing. Yes.